Hey guys, so I just wanted to share something huge, and here you can see in the upcoming few days I will post something really early, uh, and I will be posting first on my Patreon. So if you want to be early, you can sign up to my Patreon, only $10 a month. And what I'm talking about is something like this: only $5 to $50 investment could turn into $1,000 or $100,000 gains, and it could actually also go to zero. So I am not promising you anything, but I am really strong on this, and this is one of those chances that happen maybe once, twice in like 6 months or 1 year. That's why I will be posting on my Patreon. And if you don't believe me, I will actually create a YouTube video after this. And I actually think that only with $5 to $10 you can get thousands of dollars of gains. That's why this will work for most people, basically for all people. If this works out, and I have a strong feeling it will, because we are approaching a bull run, and the crypto euphoria is still coming. I think February, March will be huge, because most likely Trump will be doing something big with crypto. And here I talk about that this reminds me of the VV Akomi. And what happened was I bought the Rizzo Batman NFT in 2021 when there were like 1,000 people on VV app, and I bought it for $70, $69.99 actually, to be perfectly honest. And I turned it into a $50,000, $18,000 gains. Basically, the biggest thing that I did in 2021 was this VV app. And this is really similar because if you invest $5 to $50, you can get $100,000 gains, or it may go to zero. But when I show you on the video, you will understand. And there is no way that anyone can predict what will happen. But I have done my research, and I will explain you on my YouTube. But first, I will post on Patreon how to buy, how to search, how to find it, and what to do, because the research is already done. I just need to post it, and I will post it in 1 to 2 days. So if you want to be early, go on my Patreon, only $10 a month. If you don't like the information, you can just unsubscribe. So $10 investment in the information. Maybe you find it useful, maybe not. Do as you wish, but I'm just making this announcement so people that miss out, I basically want them to see this video, so they know that I will be posting something, and afterwards you will see, maybe it basically happens, maybe everything goes actually crazy and we become a millionaires hopefully. So yeah, that's basically it. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. And this is my crypto Patreon. That's basically it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.